Maleeha, the city anticipates 50% of all adults living in Toronto will receive their first dose of the vaccine by the end of the weekend. I'm here in North York, where a pop-up clinic is happening right now. A pretty long and steady lineup throughout the day of people waiting to receive their dose. Now, while the city is calling this a milestone, experts say it's far too early to celebrate. There's still a long way to go.
I just got my vaccination. So excited.
This woman is one of many who received her vaccine today at a pop-up clinic in Scarborough. Some are finally feeling optimistic.
I think it could have been done a little bit better, but it seems like they're gaining momentum now, which is great.
To date, well over 1.3 million vaccine doses have been administered in Toronto. 50% of Torontonians 18 and older will receive their first dose by the end of this weekend. Mobile clinics like these are helping in hotspots, but City Councillor Joe Cressy says the bar needs to be higher.
In hard-hit neighborhoods, we've seen vaccine rates recently triple. And so what does all this mean? It means that we're making good progress, but it's no cause for celebration. Success is when everybody in our city gets that vaccine.
Cressy says supply continues to be an issue.
We have in the city of Toronto the capacity to deliver hundreds of thousands of doses every week. And we're not able to do that today simply because the supply isn't available.
The city says they added more than 17,000 new appointments spread across 5 city-operated clinics for next week due to additional vaccine supply. They add as more vaccine is provided to the city immunization task force is ready to expand clinic operations to match. Health policy expert Dr. Ahmed Faraz Khalid says while Ontario is stepping up when it comes to the vaccine rollout, there's a lot more that needs to be done.
I think that the goal here is to get as many people vaccinated with both doses, not just one.
So how soon do you think we could possibly see cases go down?
Well, according to evidence, after people get vaccinated within the first dose, it's about 20 days on average to develop immunity. And so by that, I mean that people will have less of a chance contracting the virus and spreading the virus. So now that we know in the past week or so, there's been an aggressive vaccination plan across the province, especially in the hotspots, we should start to see decline in the number of COVID-19 cases in about a month from now.
Those who received their vaccine today already have their eyes on the future.
I can't wait for us to all get out, be able to hug each other, kiss each other, and enjoy life as it used to be.
I asked Dr. Khalid when he thinks the city should reopen, and he says the process shouldn't be rushed and that nothing major should happen until mid to late summer, and that the focus should remain on vaccination.